I can provide the latest market news and views.
I'm fast and I calculate financial goals and make recommendations.
I connect my customers to my company via a simple touch to call.
That's good. But wouldn't it be great that apart from all this, my user is also able to transact? Most of the users react in the same way when asked about a mutual fund application that serves all their goals. Presenting a new and enhanced version of iPru-Touch. With the new transaction feature of iPru-Touch, you can now initiate transactions for your clients with a touch. It's simple to use. Enter your PruPartner credentials to log into the transaction portal. In case you are not registered for PruPartner, you may do so using the app. Post successful login, you can search for your OTM registered clients either by name, folio number or PAN details. Once you locate the client, you can initiate transaction for them. The app gives you the freedom to initiate purchase, switch or redemption on behalf of your client. Let's take a purchase transaction for example. Your ARN code gets preloaded for the transaction. You have the option to further fill in the sub-broker code as well as the EUIN. Your transaction is now ready for processing. Enter the scheme and transaction details and submit it. On submission, the transaction gets time-stamped and a confirmation message is prompted to you. At the same time, a message is triggered to your client and ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund for the initiated transaction. As an authentication process, our call center then connects with the client on registered mobile number and post confirmation the transaction gets through. Looks good? So what's in it for you? All you need to do is have your client sign the one-time mandate OTM form to enable the transaction feature. Every time you use it, you save on the time and cost of travel from your office to the client's home and then the processing center. The saved time and money can be used towards growing your business. So what are you waiting for? Download iPru-Touch today and experience convenience at your fingertips.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.